This is the 1998 Mitsubishi Pajero Junior Flying Pug. It is 4x4. It has the 4A31 1.1 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It does come with an automatic transmission. This Pajero has 80,071 original miles. It is 2-door with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of this vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So 128,879, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 80,071. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you. We appreciate the constant support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.